In exercise 3, we analyzed shoe sole materials, two different kinds, and we did not account for the differences between boys. But the data, it turns out, was collected so that each row represented one boy wearing one pair of shoes with both materials used. So what we're going to do now is we're going to analyze that data using a paired t-test, because we now know that the differences between boys is included in the data, and we want to take it out by measuring each boy's experience with each type of material. So we use the same data as we used in the previous exercise. So here's the data set we used in the previous exercise. We have two columns of data, material A and material B, and the number in the number column, that represents a boy. So we have 10 different boys. The first boy had one sole that got 13.2 wear, the other 14. Second boy had 8.2 wear and 8.8, and so on. So to analyze this data using BlueSky, we go to Analysis, Means, and pick Paired t-test paired sample. So we did that, and here's the dialog box. And it asks for two different numerical variables. We have material A and material B. We want to test that the difference is not equal to mu, and we set mu equal to 0. So our hypothesis is that the mean difference is 0, and our alternative hypothesis is that it is not. We want to test that at a 95% confidence level. So when we execute this dialog box, BlueSky gives us this output. So as usual, BlueSky gives us summary data and just sample sizes, means, standard deviation, and so on. It gives us a pretty good range with this particular procedure, including, the min, the max, the range, skewness, kurtosis, standard error, and so on. What we're really interested in, though, is the paired t-test. So we look at the paired t-test section of the output, and we see that the t-value is minus 3.3489, and the p-value is very small, much less than 0.05. So in our previous test, we had an insignificant difference, but now we have a highly significant difference. The mean difference is minus 0.41, and the confidence interval goes from minus 0.687 to minus 0.0133. So zero difference is not in that confidence interval, and we can conclude that using a paired t-test, the difference in wear between the two materials is indeed highly significant.